Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine now? I am also very fine. Welcome back to your EVS class. Okay, so before what we discussed? We are discussing now about first lesson, our body. Our body we are discussing, children. So in that previous day we are practicing, reading practicing, no? So which topic we completed? We completed the organs of our body. The organs of our body we finished. Next, today we are going to discuss about the external body parts. Page number 2, children. Page number 2, external body parts. Okay. So what we are going to discuss? We are going to read which topic we are going to read? Yeah, we are going to read now the topic external body parts. External body parts. Okay, now we are going to read about external body parts. So in that, not all. Already I explained about the head and neck, chest and abdomen, arms and legs. Today we are going to discuss about the head and neck. Head and neck. Next, chest and abdomen. So these are the two topics we are going to read. Okay, listen carefully, children. All of you open the page number 2, and when I am reading, you should follow. You should follow with me. Head and neck. What is the topic now? Yeah, head and neck. Listen. External body parts, head and neck. The head and neck are located in the upper part of our body. The brain is located inside the head. It gives commands. What is that? COMMANDS. Commands. Commands to the various parts of our body. Various. VARIOUS. Various parts of our body. Next, the neck connects. 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 The neck connects the head to the rest of our body. It helps the head to move in different directions. Chest and abdomen. ABDOMEN. Chest and abdomen. The chest and abdomen are located in the center of our body. The chest and abdomen are also parts of the trunk. 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 The chest contains internal organs such as the heart and lungs. These are protected. PROTECTED. Protected by a rib cage. RIBCAGE. Rib cage. Protected by a rib cage. Next, the abdomen is located below the chest. It has internal organs such as the stomach and liver. It has internal organs such as the stomach and liver. Okay, so these are the topics. Okay, head and neck, chest and abdomen. So these we are
discussed. This is a reading practice based on the head and neck, chest and abdomen. Okay, now I am going to give some questions based on the given topic. What we read now? So based on that topic, I will give some questions to you. Okay, some questions to you. Come on. What are that? You should copy in your rough notes. You should copy in your rough notes and write the answers. Send to the WhatsApp group. First question. Okay. So first one is command. COMMANDS. Commands. Second one, various. Third one, connects. Fourth one, directions. Fifth one, chest. Abdomen. 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 Seventh one, rib cage. Eighth one, stomach. Ninth one, trunk. 10th one, protected. Okay, so these are the word, children. Commands, various, connects, directions, chest, abdomen, rib cage, stomach, trunk, protected. So practice 3 times in the rough notebook. Okay, practice 3 times and answer to these questions. Home task. What is that? Listen. Home task. Today's home task is, first question, what are the parts present in the upper side of our body. Okay. Second question, where is abdomen located? Next, write missing letters, children. Write missing letters. Only 2. Write missing letters. In that, A is R dash, B C dash, G E. Next, B, C dash, M dash, N dash. Okay, so this is your home task. 8, 9 home task. Okay, so what is the home task? These questions, right? What is the first question? What are the parts present in the upper side of our body? So what is the topic I taught today now? What are the parts are present on the upper side of our body? If you want this answer, you should read the textbook. Only 2 paragraphs. That read it properly and find the answer for that. Second one, where is abdomen located? Third one, write missing letters. What are the missing letters? R dash, B, C dash, G, E. So what is that word? 10 words I given na? I said you practice in the rough notebook also. So that are from that only I given missing letters. You don't no need to check here and there. Okay, so you don't need to check where that word is present. Just what are the words I given na? So that only you check it properly and find the answer. Second one, C dash, M dash, N dash dash. Okay, so these are the missing letters and these are the 2 question and answers. Only that 2 paragraphs. Okay, so read it properly, write the answer clearly and send to the WhatsApp group children. Okay, thank you.